Plants and weather. Welcome to FluentEase English. In this lesson, you'll learn 20 common English words about plants and the sky. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and answer the questions. Let's begin. Plants, tree. 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 A tree is tall and green. There is a big tree near my house. What is near my house? A big tree. Flower. Flower, flowersome. A flower is colorful and beautiful. She smells the flower. What does she smell? A flower. Grass. 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 Grass is green and soft. Children play on the grass. Where do children play? On the grass. Forest. 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 A forest has many trees. We walk in the forest. Where do we walk? In the forest. Jungle. 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 A jungle is hot and full of plants. Many animals live in the jungle. Where do many animals live? In the jungle. Desert, desert, desert. A desert is dry and hot. There is little water in the desert. Where is there little water? In the desert. Rock, rock, rock. A rock is hard and heavy. He sits on a rock. What does he sit on? A rock. Stone, stone, stone. A stone is small and hard. She throws a stone into the river. What does she throw into the river? A stone. Sand. 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 Sand is soft and light. We walk on the sand at the beach. Where do we walk at the beach? On the sand. Soil. 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 Soil helps plants grow. Farmers work with soil every day. What helps plants grow? Soil. Sky and weather, sky to sky and sky. The sky is blue and wide. Birds fly in the sky. Where do birds fly? In the sky, the sun gives light and heat. The sun is bright today. How is the sun today? Bright, moon, moon, moon. The moon shines at night. We see the moon in the sky. When do we see the moon? At night. Star, star, star. Stars shine in the dark sky. I see many stars tonight. What do I see tonight? Many stars. Cloud, cloud, cloud. Clouds are white or gray. Dark clouds cover the sky. What covers the sky? Dark clouds. Rain, rain, rain. Rain falls from the sky. It rains in the afternoon. When does it rain? In the afternoon. Snow, no is white and cold. Snow falls in winter. When does snow fall? In winter. Wind, wind, wind. Wind is moving air. The wind is strong today. How is the wind today? Strong, storm, storm, storm. A storm has strong wind and rain. We stay inside during the storm. When do we stay inside? During the storm. Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow. A rainbow has many colors. A rainbow appears after the rain. What appears after the rain? A rainbow. Excellent job. You learned 20 common English words about plants and the sky. Listen again, repeat many times, and speak naturally. Subscribe to FluentEase English for more fun lessons. See you in the next video.